Sri Aman, the hometown of Stephen Kalongningkat and Penghulu Tawisli, got its name from the two historically significant events that happened there: the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding ending the communist insurgency and the Sri Aman Peace Talk. Batang Lupa River is the source of nourishment and irrigation for rainforests and the residents by the river. Batang Lupa is known for its tidal bore or benang, which is a natural phenomenon in which incoming tide form waves as high as 3 meters that travel up the river against the current. This has attracted many people from all over the world to attend the Benang Festival, which is held annually. Semanggang Fort, located by the Batang Lupa River, was renamed Fort Alice after the victory of Charles Brooke over Rentap and Iban Warrior. The fort was listed as a historical monument by the Sarawak State Government in 1971. In June 2013, restoration works began on the fort and was completed on April 2015. It was then reopened as the Sri Aman Heritage Museum. On 25 October 2019, the Right Honorable Chief Minister decided to rename Sri Aman back to its original name, Semanggang. This is to remind everyone of the history and meaning behind Semanggang, the town of peace.
Ada bisa impact kan sebenarnya impact positif kita. Impact orang terimanya magang. Lah ke orang generasi kadatai nemu asal usul pasal nama Semanggang tu dan segi hari zaman dulu kelihatan.
石衙门市从前就是叫做城邦江，因为省也是石衙门，县也是石衙门，市也是石衙门，会有一点混淆，所以政府决定把石衙门市改为城邦江，是很适合的。
We communities Chinese, Malays, Iban masih mau Semanggang dikekalkan. Semanggang is Sri Aman tak ubah seperti adik-beradik.
Recently, the Sarawak government approved a new development agency, the Sri Aman Development Agency, SADA, to look into the development of the division of Sri Aman alongside ongoing construction such as the Pan-Borneo Highway, the Coastal Road Project, and the Batang Lupa River Bridge. With these developments, Semanggang now plays an extremely important role in the culture, tourism, economy, and transportation of Sarawak.
For the past 20 years, we have been fighting for more development in Sri Aman Division. Batang Lupa Bridge number 2. It will shorten the distance between Semanggang and other division.
71公里减到24公里，目中以石衙门两地的人民能够交往更近了，很肯定的，这条桥的经济以及作用是很大的。
With the spirit of Benang, I call to you, the people of Sri Aman, to move forward with greater confidence, and together we will build a better future. Manta Sri Aman, Manta.